There's nothing scarier than images of waters rising, cutting off roadways and destroying homes. And if you feel like you see these stories happening more frequently, you're right. Over the past 50 years, we have experienced a 20% increase in the heaviest downpours as a result of global climate change. We've also seen an increase in hurricanes specifically, which often cause flooding. It is estimated that our nation's floodplains, the areas considered in threat of floods, will increase by 40 to 45% in the next century. Floods can cause extreme devastation and loss of life, loss of property, and financial losses. And while modern storms tend to cause more costly damage, as there are more costly things to destroy, some of the deadliest storms happened in prior centuries when people didn't have the technology to escape them. Let's look at some of the deadliest floods that have occurred in the United States and some of the massive changes they brought. Types of floods. There are three main types of floods. Coastal floods, also known as storm surges. These usually occur when a high tide coincides with an intense storm, such as a hurricane or a tsunami, forcing large amounts of water onshore. River floods, also known as fluvial floods. These occur when the water level of a lake or river overflows into surrounding lands. These are often caused by excessive rain or snowmelt. Flash floods, also known as pluvial floods. These occur when extreme precipitation causes a flood, independent of a body of water. These can happen anywhere, including in urban areas when the drainage system or dam is overwhelmed. We're dividing the worst floods into the top three from each type of flood. We're using the number of lives lost for the criteria for which floods were the most devastating.
Opouštíme náš barák, je to strašné, je tady všude voda, šíleně, teď už nemáme žádné kůlny, nic, úplně je to v krčicích a čekáme na vrtulník, který nám právě odvezl jiné pasažéry a nás nevzal. Tady takhle máme, ježiš, garáž se nám otevřela, druhá taky, paráda, takže všechno díky.
Sì, adesso siamo sul tetto, aspettiamo l'elicottero che ci venga a prendere. È un disastro, tutto a puttane.